stroke 3 line. If you want to do 2, 1 you don't have to, 1 you can use a dot 2. Simple, it's just like the tape, Scotch tape or whatever tape it is, and just get, and you're gonna just tape them together. Simple it is, and you can just discard it after you finish and make the new one for the new clients, you know. Here you go, really easy tool. So I'm gonna using is Weaver Gels is the pure white, and also using Weaver Gel is bright yellow. So gonna do it on this both nails, okay? And also Weaver Gels with, oh my god, it's Weaver Gels as a gold is really pretty too. I want to get some bright colors for summers and also back to school. So just simple is it's too far away. You need to move this one back here. There you go. So pure white, and it's real stringy with Glitz Weaver Gel. So what I am going to do, if you want really thick lines, you dip it in and pick more of your Weaver Gel. If you want the line to be really fine and thin, like this line, just pick a little bit of the Weaver Gel. So I did several different colors. I did aqua, teal, blacks, white, and I think I did like, this is the turquoise. So pick up one, and then, and I did, this is on the top of the cat eyes number 44. Okay, still want to see the effects of the cat eyes, and turn it this way. Alright, happy with this? I'm going to gear this for 60 seconds or 30-second flash gear. Moving on the next one, we're going to do a bright yellow. Picks up good bright yellow. And you can do it over more than just one time. You can do 2-3 times. All right, I'm gonna do it another one. Happy with this? We're going to flash gear for 30 seconds. We're gonna do some crystal placement. Hey everyone, thanks so much Mika for adding the website on. Hey Queen Boss, hello, how are you? Just thought as a way, if you don't want to use it, well, you're gonna do all 10 nails for clients or whatever, 2 nails, 4 nails, and then you can using. So here's a look. So if you don't want anything, you're happy with this top coat,